Imagine this. You're hit with a $5,000 emergency tomorrow. Your savings are empty. Your credit cards are maxed. What do? Borrow from family? Take a predatory loan? This one mistake, ignoring your emergency fund, has destroyed careers, relationships, and mental health. But today, I'll show you how to fix it, even if you're broke right now. Hey everyone. A few years ago, I was in that exact situation. My fridge broke, my dog got sick, and I had to put it all on a credit card with 24% interest. I felt trapped, ashamed, and stressed 24/7. But after digging myself out, I learned the real reason most people fail financially. And it's not what you think. Let's talk about Sarah. Sarah made $60K a year, but spent every dollar. When her hours got cut, she racked up $10K in credit card debt just to survive. 3 years later, she's paid $14K and still owes $8K. That's the debt trap. And it's not just bad luck, it's math. High interest compounds faster than you think. Banks make billions off this cycle. They want you to think, just borrow now, pay later. But later never comes. The truth? Without an emergency fund, you're one crisis away from disaster. Here's the good news. You don't need to be rich to build a safety net. Let's break it down into 3 steps anyone can do. Step 1, start with $500, no excuses. Forget 3 to 6 months of expenses. That's overwhelming. Start with $500, sell old clothes, drive Uber weekends, or cut subscriptions. I did this in 30 days, delivering food after work. Step 2, automate your savings. Set it and forget it. Open a separate account, not your checking account. Use apps like Digit or your bank's auto transfer. Even $10 a week adds up. Make it invisible so you don't miss it. This is not for vacations, Black Friday sales, or emergency concert tickets. Label the account Do Not Touch or Fire Extinguisher. Out of sight, out of mind. Unless your house is literally on fire, leave it alone. I know what you're thinking, but I have debt. I can't save. Let's crush those myths. Myth 1. I should pay debt first. Wrong. If you put all your cash into debt and then face an emergency, you'll just borrow again. Save $500 first, then attack debt. Hack. Myth 2. I don't make enough. I started saving $5 a week. It's not about the amount, it's about the habit. Small wins build confidence. Myth 3. I'll do it later. Later turns into never. Start today. Right after this video, open that account. I'll wait. Friends, this fund isn't just money, it's peace of mind. It's saying no to predatory loans. It's staying in control when life goes crazy. You deserve that freedom. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who's struggling. Next week, I'll show you how I turned $500 into $10,000 without a side hustle. Until then, go start that fund. You've got this.